Amazfit Active 2 is a fantastic watch, and Zepp OS 4.5 is a fantastic software which is powering this watch, and it allows you to do a lot of things. Just like the watch face that you see, it has a lot of watch faces that you can download. They're beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. There are a ton of apps in the Play Store on Zepp OS app as well that you can download and have fun with. And the cherry on top is that this watch also allows you to download music in the watch and listen it on the watch as well. So if I go in music, go in playlists, you can see that you can add music. I've made a whole video on it. I'll link that in the description below. And you can listen to this music on the watch through the speakers on the watch. And if that wasn't enough, you can also connect Bluetooth accessories. So you can connect your Bluetooth headphones and listen to music from the watch through Bluetooth headphones and have fun with this watch. So there is a lot that you can do with this watch, but it is crippled by Amazfit for some reason when it comes to the storage. Storage is the biggest problem on this watch. It only has 512 MB storage. And after downloading a map and downloading few watch faces and one song, let me show you how much storage is left on this watch. Here you can see that I have only 93.78 MB left. And let me show you how many watch faces I have. And then I've got few extra apps that I have downloaded and one map. And with all of that installed, I'm left with 82 MBs. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that before you buy this watch, make sure that you understand what you're getting into. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have learned something about this watch and this can help you in making a better purchase decision. That's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.